characteristics. Here is a brief overview of the fundamental morphological and biological characteristics of the humanoid reptiles. The specimens of the species Reptiles humanoid have an anthropomorphic appearance and measure between 44 and 60.5 centimeters, or between 1.4 and 2 feet. The bodies show no hair, and their skin is resembling that of reptiles, such as lizards or snakes. They are gonochoric, which means that there are females and males. Their reproduction is of an oviparous type, which means that the female lays eggs, with little or no embryonic development within the mother. The humanoid reptiles have microcephalic skulls that show no evidence of artificial mechanical pressure to produce this elongation. Their almond-shaped head housed a very large brain. They have large eyes with a wide field of vision which is greater than 180 degrees, superior to that of humans. Neither rear flag nor rear canals are observable, but X-rays showed an inner ear and middle ear. The very small nasal cavity received air to breathe, but no nasal septum is observable. This species does not have any teeth. Nourishment would be consumed in the form of liquids. The neck may be retractile, like in turtles. Most curiously, a feature the humanoid reptiles seem to share with the famous fictional ET the extraterrestrial. There is a bone like a scapula, or shoulder blade, which would form the chest belt with the fused clavicles corresponding to the furcula, or wishbone, which is a forked bone usually found in birds and some other species of dinosaurs. Humanoid reptiles have a forearm with only one bone, missing the radius and ulna. Same for the leg, there is no tibia nor fibula. The hand is in pronation, it has 3 fingers, ending with a flattened claw. The species has tridactyl, or 3-fingered hands and feet. These are not distortions listed in the modern medical literature in the event of possible congenital diseases. Furthermore, the bones of the skeleton are hollow. All these features are typically observed in birds and theropods, a clade of extinct dinosaurs. In addition, the bones of the hands and feet are anthropometrically correlated, which means that the measurements of the size, weight, and proportions of the body parts correlate and make sense when compared to each other. The body has neither mammary glands, nipples, nor an umbilical scar to attach this species to mammals. The ribs consist of 2 floating pairs, and other pairs shaped like a ring. The number of ribs is variable following specimens. It ranges from 8 to 11 pairs of ribs. The pelvis is composed of separate bones with a semicircular shape, meaning there is no pelvic structure, which is different when compared to humans, for example. Their walk is bipedal plantigrade, meaning they walk on 2 legs with 2 feet, and the entire sole of the foot touches the ground, just like humans. Scientists found that the specimens of the species humanoid reptiles are very old. Radiocarbon dating of Victoria, for example, suggests that she lived between 791 and 1040 years ago, in a time between the 10th and 13th century, during the Middle Horizon, and late Intermediate periods of Peru. The specimens were found in diatomaceous earth, which dried out these bodies and preserved their organs. The internal organs, like the viscera, brains, eggs, etc., are still inside the bodies of the specimens found in the Nazca region. All specimens are free from scars, incisions or other signs of manipulation, which could indicate an ancient or modern fraud. The various bodies show a functional anatomy, and consistent structural integrity, consistent skin and many other features between the bodies, which means there is no evidence that the bodies have been artificially reconstructed or created, for each body shows signs of injuries and healing, signs of natural development as a single individual.